Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The white-tipped sicklebill, Eutoxeres aquila, is a remarkable species of hummingbird native to the cloud forests and tropical mountain regions of Central America, particularly found in areas of Costa Rica, Panama, and parts of western Colombia. Known for its distinctive long, curved bill and its exceptional flight abilities, the white-tipped sicklebill is one of the most fascinating hummingbirds in its region. It belongs to the Trochilidae family, the same family as other well-known hummingbird species, characterized by their ability to hover in midair and their iridescent plumage. Physically, the white-tipped sicklebill is a medium-sized hummingbird, measuring around 9 to 11 centimeters, 3.5 to 4.3 inches, in length and weighing approximately 4 grams, 0.14 ounces. The most striking feature of this bird is its bill, which is long, curved, and sickle-shaped, an adaptation that allows it to feed on long tube flowers that other hummingbirds cannot access. The bill's tip is white, hence the bird's name. The plumage of the white-tipped sicklebill is iridescent green, with the throat and chest showing a brighter emerald green hue, creating a beautiful sheen when the light hits it at different angles. Its tail is relatively long and slender, with white tips on the outer feathers. The underparts are a paler grayish-white, while the back and wings have a more muted greenish-brown color. The bird's eyes are typically dark, giving it a sharp, focused expression. The habitat of the white-tipped sicklebill is the cloud forests and montane forests of Central America, typically at elevations between 1,000 and 2,000 meters, 3,300 to 6,600 feet. It favors dense vegetation, particularly areas near flowering plants or nectar-rich shrubs, which provide the essential food resources for this species. These birds are often found in the understory and mid-canopy of forests, where they can access a variety of flowering plants. Though the white-tipped sicklebill prefers the more secluded regions of cloud forests, it can also be spotted in gardens or cleared areas where appropriate nectar sources are abundant. The diet of the white-tipped sicklebill primarily consists of nectar from long-tube flowers, such as those of heliconias, bromeliads, and fuchsia species, which are common in the cloud forests. Its long, curved bill is a specialized adaptation for reaching deep into tubular flowers, where its slender tongue can reach the nectar at the base of the flower. Like other hummingbirds, the white-tipped sicklebill also feeds on small insects, such as spiders, small beetles, and other arthropods, which provide essential protein for its diet. The bird uses its high metabolism and rapid feeding technique to consume large quantities of nectar throughout the day. Its body requires a constant supply of energy to maintain its rapid wing beats and hovering flight. Behaviorally, the white-tipped sicklebill is an agile and energetic bird, known for its fast flight and hovering ability, both of which are typical traits of hummingbirds. The white-tipped sicklebill can hover in place by rapidly beating its wings in a figure-8 pattern, allowing it to feed while stationary. This ability enables it to access flowers and nectar sources efficiently. The bird is also known for its territorial behavior, with males often defending a specific feeding territory or patch of flowers from other males. These territories are typically small, but males will aggressively chase off intruders to protect their food sources. Courtship displays are often marked by aerial acrobatics, in which the male performs high-speed flights, fluttering and diving in front of the female to attract her attention. The breeding season of the white-tipped sicklebill occurs during the wet season, which coincides with the peak flowering period in its habitat. During this time, males engage in elaborate courtship displays to win the favor of a female. The female will typically build a small cup-shaped nest in a tree branch, using plant fibers, moss, and down feathers to create a secure and sheltered environment for the eggs. The nest is usually hidden in the dense canopy or understory of the cloud forest, offering protection from predators. The female lays 2 eggs, which are incubated for around 14 to 16 days. Once the eggs hatch, the female feeds the chicks on a diet of nectar and small insects. The chicks fledge, leave the nest, after 18 to 25 days, though they may stay in the area for some time while learning to forage on their own. The lifespan of the white-tipped sicklebill is generally short, typical of hummingbirds, with most individuals living around 5 years or less. Due to their small size, hummingbirds are vulnerable to predation by larger birds, such as hawks or shrikes, as well as mammals and snakes that may be able to catch them while they are feeding. However, their rapid flight and ability to hover in place make it difficult for predators to catch them. Additionally, their small size allows them to evade predators by darting into dense vegetation or flowering plants where they can easily hide. Ecologically, the white-tipped sicklebill plays an important role in its habitat by acting as a pollinator. As it feeds on nectar from various plants, it inadvertently transfers pollen from one flower to another, facilitating cross-pollination. This process is crucial for the reproductive success of many species of tropical plants in the cloud forests. In this way, the white-tipped sicklebill contributes to maintaining the biodiversity and health of its ecosystem. Additionally, by feeding on insects, the bird helps control the populations of small pests that may otherwise disrupt plant growth or spread disease. The white-tipped sicklebill's sickle-shaped bill is specialized for feeding on long-tube flowers, a feeding strategy that distinguishes it from other hummingbird species that prefer shorter flowers. Despite its small size, the white-tipped sicklebill has an extremely high metabolism, requiring it to feed almost constantly to maintain its energy levels. The white tip of the bill is a unique feature among hummingbirds, helping to identify the species easily in the field. The white-tipped sicklebill is highly territorial and will vigorously defend its feeding territories against other males and rival hummingbirds. Like all hummingbirds, the white-tipped sicklebill can hover in place by rapidly flapping its wings in a figure-8 pattern, allowing it to feed without landing on a flower. The white-tipped sicklebill is a fascinating hummingbird known for its specialized feeding habits, striking appearance, and important ecological role in pollination. Found in the cloud forests of Central and South America, this species is not only an example of the incredible adaptability and specialization of hummingbirds, but also a crucial player in maintaining the health of its forest ecosystem.